Oh, what a beautiful day, Bert. It sure is, Big Bird. We brought The Lion King 1.5 on DVD so we can watch it. Don't watch it, guys. What? Who said that? It's me, Robbie, Tori, Cat, and Trina. I said don't watch it because it has a scary logo called THX Broadway logo on the DVD. We know it's about the movie about the Lion King 1.5, but it has a scary logo called THX logo. Wait a second. Cat, you told Tori not to watch Monsters Inc. because it has a THX moo can in it. So she didn't listen to you. And Mario told Tori and Cat not to watch Speed 2 Cruise Control because it has a THX moo can in it. So you're saying there's a scary logo on the Lion King 1.5? Okay, just look in the cover and the disc. Okay. Scary logo. Just put the disc in and watch and see for yourself. Okay, whatever you say. Scary logo on the disc. Just watch and see. Okay, whatever you say. Hey guys, we put the movie in. All right. What? An FBI warning screen? I don't want to see that. We want to see that movie. I know, Big Bird. Walt Disney Home Entertainment. That isn't so bad. We have to skip all the trailers. It will take too long.
Coming soon to own on DVD and video.
Ooh, Meerkats Underground. Let's watch how scary this is. Oh no, what's that noise? Ah, that's right, told you.